Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. And here we have the Cupra Leon VZ2 Estate. So this is a four-wheel drive vehicle, automatic gearbox on a 71 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. We're going to start off inside the boot space first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have the four tailpipes. Plenty of boot space, as you may well expect from an estate vehicle. You can also fold the rear seats down to increase this further, should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in great condition, as is the bodywork the whole way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. On the right-hand side, the speedometer. Also over on that right-hand side, a digital readout for the speedometer and the total miles of the car, which are 19,025. On the left-hand side, you'll see you've also got the fuel gauge, above which it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so we are in park at the moment. You have your satellite navigation being displayed in that section. You can change that for various different things using the buttons on the steering wheel. Just here, you can see that changing in the background, and you've got various different sections you can alter as well using these buttons in combination with this. We've got a heated steering wheel. We have stereo controls over on that side. We've also got the start and stop button for the car. You can put the car in its Cupra mode from over here. So you can basically change from sport to Cupra to, in fact, you can see the modes changing along the top just there. So you've got your Cupra settings, your kind of regular setting, and you can keep going around in a circle using that button. We've also got our cruise control over that side as well. In the center, we have the main touchscreen. So we're on the main menu at the moment. We have a couple of different main menus available, one of which has got basically everything showing. The other one is this version where you can tap, for example, to access your satellite navigation, your audio, or your climate control from over there. And you've got the different sections along the bottom here as well. So you could have satellite navigation displayed simultaneously here and in that central section if you wish to. We have our audio menu, of course, where you can see we've got our AM, DAB, and FM radio. We've got internet radio as well. You can listen to your own music under the media heading. And again, that top right-hand corner will show you that you've got Bluetooth audio. My Media is so you can save various playlists to the car. This vehicle's also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So loads of ways to listen to your music. You can pair your phone under the phone heading there, of course. You can see Apple CarPlay. And then over on the right-hand side here, we've got a kind of a car settings menu that will give you your vehicle status at any given time as well. If we pop the vehicle into reverse, you'll see the full color reversing camera with guidelines showing you what direction the car is headed in and a visual guide to the parking sensors as well. This car also has the ability to autonomous park, so you can enter that menu should you wish to from up here, and then of course you can put the vehicle back in park to come out of that anytime. We can make adjustments to our climate control here, so driver temperature up and down. We've got in the middle here the volume for the stereo up and down, and then passenger temperature. We have a main climate control menu which you can access in the center here and make all of your adjustments fully as well. Underneath that, we have some storage, two USB-C inputs, and then the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox just here. This button will turn the traction control on and off for the car. We have an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function and deadlock, so you can lock and unlock the car doors from the outside. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for this car. So you can see in the envelope the spare key, so 2 keys in total, the V5 registration document showing this is a one-owner car from new as well, and there's plenty of service records underneath here. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour of the vehicle, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.